What's up, YouTube? This your little boy, DIY, low car budget repair. And today I'm bringing you a little video on how to install a detachable steering wheel kit. The hub adapter. I ain't put the steering wheel removal because there's plenty of videos out there how to remove a steering wheel. It's very simple. Just detach all your panels. 19mm bolt. It's a 97 Honda Civic. There's plenty of videos of that, but this video is based on this part today. This part right here. Because this thing is supposed to go inside here, right here like this. But there's a wobble. Because when you attach this part to it, and you put this in here, you see that wobble? I'm trying to eliminate that wobble because I don't want to put my Allen bolts in here and have one threaded further in than the other ones. You see what I'm saying? I want it to be flush because I can put it without that, like many people do, and it's flush. But this is supposed to be for a little bit of sturdiness. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead with it, and what I'm doing is with my sander, putting it right here flush and sanding it down. And when I get it flush, I'll be back. Okay, people, here we go. We got it all sanded down and filed down. We came in here with the angle grinder, took some of this off. Let's see what it do. There it goes. Nice and flush. Nice and flush. So now let's get to the install.